Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting power and accounts right. Plug both phones in or ensure enough battery and connect them to the same Wi-Fi. Once done, sign into your Google account on the new device and confirm the old phone has a recent backup in Settings System Backup. Make sure app data, contacts, and photos are included. Now open the new phone's Setup Assistant to start the restoration process. This prepares everything for the actual transfer step. Next, you choose the transfer method that fits. Plug devices together using a USB cable for fastest results, or select Wi-Fi transfer or Google Restore if you prefer wireless. During setup, pick the backup from your account and allow apps and settings to install. This can take 10-30 minutes depending on size. Also, make sure photos sync via Google Photos or copy them locally. Re-authenticate accounts and two-factor apps when prompted so everything works seamlessly once the transfer completes. Finish by checking that contacts, messages, photos, and critical apps are present and functioning on the new phone. Open a few apps and test calling or messaging. Once satisfied, perform a factory reset on the old device to wipe your data, but only after confirming everything transferred. If something fails, try the restore again, ensure both phones are on the same reliable Wi-Fi, or clear the Play Store cache and reattempt app installs. If problems persist, use a wired transfer for greater reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.